Withdrawing money from your ZenGo wallet involves sending cryptocurrency to another wallet or exchange where it can be converted into fiat currency. Follow these steps. Open the ZenGo app. Launch the ZenGo wallet app on your mobile device and log in using your facial biometrics. Navigate to the asset. Go to the Assets tab to see your cryptocurrency holdings. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. Choose Send. Tap the Send button on the selected cryptocurrency page. Enter the recipient address. Copy the wallet address of the recipient. Paste the address into the ZenGo app's recipient field. Alternatively, you can scan a QR code. Confirm the details. Double check the recipient address and the withdrawal amount. Make sure you account for any network fees. Complete the transaction. Tap Confirm and authenticate using your biometrics. The withdrawal will process and you will receive a confirmation once the transaction is sent. Convert to fiat. If you're withdrawing to an exchange, sell a cryptocurrency for fiat currency and transfer it to your bank account.